In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Live Wallpaper on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, Lively Wallpaper remains the most popular free open source alternative to Wallpaper Engine. It allows you to turn videos, GIFs, and even interactive websites into your desktop background with almost zero impact on your PC's performance. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up your Microsoft Store. Then what you want to do is at the very top, search for Lively Wallpaper, like so. Go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to see a lot of options, but go over to Lively, then go ahead and press get right there. It's going to be installing it. Then we're just going to wait for it to install. Now the installation, it shouldn't take that long because it's only 246 megabytes. But of course, it does depend on your download and upload speeds, and well, mainly your download speed, and then your installation will just be dependent on your PC. Once it's done, go ahead and click open. Now, the first opening session might just take the longest, but it's still relatively quick as well. Now, you're going to see a bunch of different like pre-installed interactive wallpapers such as fluids, matrix, and things like that. But you aren't limited to just the built-in library. On the top right, I can go ahead and click the plus icon and I can choose a file into a URL or create a dynamic wallpaper as well. But just for the sake of this, we'll just choose a random one like this. And now, as you can see, I have an interactive wallpaper like so. But of course, like I said, there's so many different ones. You can also go to a gallery, which is coming soon too as well. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.